Now this seems like it's a lot of bacon, but it's actually only 3 strips cut in half. And I'll eat 4 pieces, which is 2 pieces, and I'll give Danny 1 because he's such a good boy. And somebody's at the back door. Who can it be? Is it Danny? Well, look at that. Get in. Hey, hold it, come here. You don't just come in. You gotta wipe your feet. Wipe your feet. Come on, wipe your feet. Wipe your feet. Not just the front ones, wipe the rear ones. Get the rear ones over there. Okay, wipe your, is that it? Wipe your feet again. Come on, wipe. Okay, go to your room. Oh, there's some beer. Too bad they're all empty. Go to your room. Now, can you stay there while I eat breakfast? You're such a good boy. Here, let me give you your baba. Go on. Hey, go to your room. Take him to your room. Stay there. See you later. Hey, birds, look at they all took off. Well, time to eat breakfast.